Hello, everyone. My name is Parshikar Sinha, aka Soup Boy, and you have tuned into the Soupy Conversations, a podcast that I have brought together in which I call my indie music friends and indie music enthusiasts who also happen to be my friend. And we talk about their work, their music, their journey, their procedure, their experiences, and many other random stuff as we go along. And I am really getting better at this introduction part. And so you guys should definitely like look forward to the entire podcast, although I'm not sure whether it'll be as good as the introduction is. Anyways, before starting the podcast, I'd like to hit you off with a soupy jingle.
It's a super conversations.
Dude, I've started sounding like a freaking RJ. I don't know, matlab, it only adds up to my portfolio. कहीं ना कहीं तो नौकरी लगे. I don't know music में तो कहाँ ही जाएंगे. Maybe somewhere down the line, some radio guy would see this podcast and be like, okay, we are hiring you. Okay, so let's start today's episode of the podcast. For today's episode, I have a very interesting person with us. She is an insane indie music enthusiast and she's a fashion designer. And the way she likes to describe herself is that she is someone who associates vocal texture with weaves and design fashion through music details. She's an indie original designer, and to be honest, one of the most like extremely amazing and keen supporters and promoters of the indie music, especially for those artists who are yet to be recognized to the entire world. And I really adore her for that. So, like, let's give it a huge round of applause. I don't have any audience for Disha Ramrakhani.
Hi,
Hey Disha, how are you?
I'm good. How
Let's
are
just
you?
pretend that this was not the second take. This happened with Sweet too, dude. I have to like re-record the entire thing because I had not pressed the record button. Hey, Soupy. Hey Disha, how are you? How was your day?
It has been really hectic because a lot of things are lined up. Yet, one thing that keeps me sane sometimes is actually my playlist. Hashtag full volume mode.
That was a good promotion of the playlist. Do check it out, dude. It has a lot many good indie songs. Anyways, so it's
It
really good to have you here. I was really looking forward to this. When you reached out to me on Instagram that I also want to be part of the podcast, I was like, obviously, I'm definitely going to add you up because I already had the people who are going to be in the podcast. I had a list of that, and I have a freaking
oh
Excel sheet open in front of my screen, and I'm like, okay, now I know that this person is done, this person is cleared, this person is cleared. So I also feel like, okay, bhai, ho raha hai kuch kaam. Anyways, so
yay!
I met you through Instagram only, and
Hmm.
you got in touch with a lot many, especially the Jaipur artists like Abhin and Tanish, because you are also from
Hmm.
Jaipur, and all the TYF
Hmm.
artists. You also know other indie artists that I am not saying, but through the indie artist wala
Absolutely.
circle at the Yellow Festival, you got to know about me, and then you started joining my
Yeah.
Instagram live sessions and all, and then we became friends.
Hmm.
Hey hey. Uh, but seriously, I have this very kind of an assurance with you that like if I'm doing an Instagram live session, the purpose of that live session is that I want to perform. And sadly, since I cannot
Hmm.
perform right now, since the entire pandemic shit is going on, I know that if I want to go live, I want to perform, and I want some people to be there to listen to me. I don't want to be like कि हाँ मैं सिर्फ screen के सामने play कर रहा हूँ, having no people there. And considering the fact कि आजकल audience span कितना कम हो चुका है, it's relatively higher possibility कि भाई कोई नहीं होगा. But with you,
Hmm.
I know कि हाँ, at least there's going to be this one person who's going to listen to my songs whenever I'm, even if it's like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. If I'm going live, I know you're going to be there. And
Yeah.
it really motivates me to do my work. Anyways, we have talked enough about me. And this
Hmm.
is basically how we met, me and Disha. So
Yeah.
let's just hit it off with the episode, and we'll start with talking about your work. I want you to talk about your work, and then the process that goes into that. And yeah, let's just start with that.
Okay. So I am a fashion designer, like Sophie said, and I use music details to create fashion, which actually and literally means that I want to make people wear their favorite indie songs. And yeah, that's actually the most favorite line of my whole description.
That's actually good. I never heard you say that you want to. Matlab, I know it can be one of the things, but I never heard you say this. That's actually a good line.
I I don't know why I don't say it more often. Maybe I think अगर मैं ये बोलना शुरू करूँगी मेरे को मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में वो डिस्क्रिप्शन पहले मैं शॉर्ट कर सकती हूँ लोगों को बताने के लिए.
Yeah, probably.
So,
But to be honest, you have a description which I'll be very honest. It's a little hard to understand because at first I was like, okay,
yeah,
it is going to take me some time to understand this because me
yeah,
being an illiterate.
you were honest about it, but then you were patient about it as well to understand.
Yeah. But
And
obviously,
I really love people with
like
patience.
making it like I make people wear the indie music that they love. It's very simple. You have to be little like what do you say, jargony type when it comes to like creating a description.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
like let's talk about this thing that we have talked about your work, and you, as I mentioned in your introduction, as you like to describe yourself as someone who associates vocal textures with weaves. It's like vocal
Hmm,
cords and vocal expressions with fabrics, right?
hmm,
If I'm not wrong.
hmm,
So like
hmm.
uh, tell me about it, that how is that association is taking place, how do you define this line, what exactly, like explain it for the people, maybe just sun rahe hain, maybe they won't be able to even I don't understand it completely, so give us some knowledge about that.
All right. So इसमें basically the thing that I had actually observed is it's actually association. जो अपने कान में जो चीजें जा रही है, it means our senses are activated towards this thing, and when we are touching something, that's when our touch wala sense is activated. So मैंने एक coordination. So once I was listening to this artist Akash Chopra, and I had read one of the comments. I mean, एक उसका Instagram post ही देख रही थी मैं. I think it must be of TYF only. So उसमें ना there was this one person who commented कि his vocal texture is really smooth and nice and something like this. So when I saw the word texture, I could make a vision. I could imagine a visual of a texture of how the chiffon fabric looks like. It is soft, it is a little transparent, and it is very thin. So that's where I could get an idea. Okay, so Akash's vocal texture is very similar to what chiffon feels on the skin, and that is where it started to grow.
This is very intriguing because I don't know how you do that. Well, for me, I can understand that you think that maybe I'm just saying that maybe if there is someone, you see someone singing, or you try to understand their composition and try to understand the way they sing, and then you get a feeling that okay, this is kind of an harsh kind of a
Yeah,
thing. This has a little
yeah,
smoothness. This is a little, what do you
hmm,
say, tidely in nature, and then you think of
yeah,
a cotton or a cloth, sorry, cotton bol raha hoon, sorry, a cloth which
yeah.
is
Material,
material which
yeah.
has the same kind of value. But I don't know how you do
Hmm.
that. It's beyond my imagination.
As I said, it's association. It's once I had psychology in 12th, and there were many of such a behavior in different forms. It was happening someday back. When I had psychology in school, I was actually doing the association in terms of colors. So that time I told my psychology teacher, okay, ma'am, this particular thing is happening and it feels like that I'm seeing it. So she cleared it to me that that if not a vivid visual is forming, but then you are forming some sort of an idea, then it is association.
Does
So
it
hence,
continue, sorry.
नहीं तुम बोलो.
So I
Please.
was saying that does it also have something to do with the genre of the music? So if a person has a particular genre of the music, does that also helps in identifying which fabric or which kind of a weave pattern would go with his or her vocal texture?
No, the weave does not go, but genre is technically goes with the the techniques that I want to take. For example, हमने कपड़ा ले लिया. suppose let's say that I associate your vocal texture with cotton slab. अब मैंने अब and I wanna do something about Rasta, and you have the acoustic guitar going on. So in that, I would take a particular technique, जैसे कि embroidery और textile painting or textile print, depending upon how how the instruments and the arrangement is working. With that, these things come into play, that what I wanna do on like how the vocal texture is going. I mean, just like how lyrics are complemented by the bass, the instruments, and the drums or the percussion. वैसे ही इसमें ये है कि vocal texture पे जो मैं fabric ले रही हूँ, उसमें कैसे ये मैं complement कर सकती हूँ with techniques like embroidery and these other techniques.
Dude, this is like something which is definitely काफी ज्यादा informative है यार ये सब. I never thought that music can have this much of an impact on anything. But dude, this was the reason why I thought that I should have you on board, because there were like a lot many episodes which are happening. I already released a couple of episodes with Sid and Loopy, and then there was this one episode with Arham just before you, and we did that yesterday. And so I thought that there should be some kind of a variation in the topic, but it still should have some kind of a relation with the original big thing, the umbrella term which is there. But anyways, I mean, it's it's very interesting, dude. It will take me a lot of time to like really understand this. Maybe after like listening to the podcast for like 7-8 times.
As a matter of fact, मैंने एक instrument को एक ये उसके साथ मतलब दो sounds को मैंने fix कर दिया कि हाँ ये दोनों एक particular technique पे जाएंगे ही by default. जैसे जिस तरह से John Mayer, I'm just using the example of John Mayer only. जिस तरह से John Mayer plays a guitar, the sounds are very sharp and light, and they have a a certain echo. So they so मेरे दिमाग में ये बना कि है ना, this is machine embroidery with silk threads. Machine embroidery क्यों? Because they are very close, and दूसरा ये है कि silk thread से there is the shine which actually represents the echo of the electric guitar.
I have this.
Is it making sense?
Yeah, it's making sense. I am also thinking it can also go the other way around. I'll tell you how. So if someone has to arrange a song or compose a song, all they have to do is reach out to you, and then you can like talk them through the fabric and the clothes that they should wear for a particular contest, and all they know that you have secretly gifted them with an arrangement of a song, that here the guitar should go, here this particular drum would go, here the pad will come and fill will up, and like this
अगर ये हुआ, that would become an absolute collaboration.
I don't know, collaboration का नहीं पता मेरे को, but it will become something which will be very much directed by you. A part of their indie musician's life, a part of that indie musician's song would be directed by you. जा वत्स मैंने तुझे दे दिया.
That is quite a long time. That I think that's kind of in a distant future, if some artist would like to do such a thing with me.
क्या पता, मेरे को पता चला ना सबसे पहले मैं ही पहुंच जाऊंगा. All you know that after you studying a little bit more about music, मेरे को खुद को नहीं पता था, but after you like study more about music and more about the fashion and like try having this list, suppose if there is a notebook that you have created and on which you have already jotted down that for electric guitars with echo this particular thing would go, or for drums this particular
it's already here. It's already written on my notebook. I can read out some to you. Like I started with Arham, जिसमें I've clearly said that he is the weave, Indian weave, that ikat from Odisha. Then there is Akshit Dhal and Osho Jain, who are purely linen. Then Sabi Singh is absolutely cotton crepe. Apni Suhasini is organza, and अपना ये Shubham with the BUMM. He is a mohair, which is actually mohair is the hairy wala. You must have seen many men and women wearing, maybe men, I don't know, those hairy sweaters in the winter. जिसमें मतलब है ना बहुत ही fur वाला चीज है.
Yeah, I
That's
got your
mohair.
point.
That's mohair wala sweater. So yeah, I am already, the list is already happening.
Dude, this is incredible, dude. At first, I used to think that okay, I'm already having a niche audience because of this, and now the niche audience is going to be like mind blown. What the hell just happened? What the hell did we just hear in today's episode of the podcast? This is something really I didn't expect this, man, but incredible. Okay, let's also talk about this thing that okay, now I understood your point that how you incorporate both the things together. I also want to know that what actually intrigued you into taking this up as how did you actually start this entire thing, and apart from that, what actually intrigued you to take up music as something which you use as the reference point, and especially indie music, because obviously people may say that music is something if it comes from a commercial source or an independent source, the same thing, but I don't think it's the same thing, because somewhere down the line the story behind the music that has come from the independent artists which have had some kind of problems in the past may act as a different source material altogether. So like I really want to know that how it's a really interesting word, or intriguing, and I really want to know that how this all started, and what really intrigued you to taking up music, or especially indie music, as a referral pattern for the same.
Okay, I'll answer the second question first क्योंकि उसका छोटा है. बाकी जो like how I started it, that's quite a story.
I really like the way
So
that
the
उसका
reason.
छोटा है.
Okay, so the reason that I tapped into independent music only is kind of connected with how I choose my fashion as well. So as of now, there are two kinds of fashion going on. One is slow fashion, and one is fast fashion. Fast fashion is the apparel that's available in H&M, Zara, and everything. वो मतलब है ना झटपट झटपट ये लोग बना देते हैं, जिस तरह से बॉलीवुड अपने झटपट झटपट अपने गाने निकाल रहा है ना, उस तरीके से. So I associate
I
indie
can
music with
understand. Me being a guy जो 3 साल से गाने नहीं निकाल पा रहा है, I can completely understand what slow fashion is. I am the slow fashion.
Absolutely. And you wear slow fashion, you wear kurtas.
Yeah. Yeah, continue.
अपने सारे Indian wears are slow fashion.
Obviously.
So yeah, I was saying that जो indie music and slow fashion में ये common है that the both on both the sides, the creator, the artist or the producer, they are giving it time and the love and that durability for it to stay longer. So I mean, I sort of felt that emotion in the indie music, and मैंने particularly less than 10,000 listeners को इसलिए मैं tap कर रही हूँ क्योंकि ये है कि they would wanna hear me out. I mean, ये है कि I have this perception set in my head कि अगर मैं मतलब मैंने किसी पॉपुलर पर्सन के पॉपुलर आर्टिस्ट के पास जाऊंगी तो वो शायद मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट ना सुने. सो या मेरे दिमाग में ये it could be an insecurity or something, but then I felt that okay, let's just give it a try with starting with someone who has monthly listeners less than 10,000, and let's see how it goes. And I had no idea that so many people would tell me कि दिशा तू है ना इन artists की manager बन जा. Because
That's true.
as you said
I
earlier
know.
that कैसे promote.
You can be the manager, you can be the fashion designer. All you know that all these artists that now you know and now who are doing great, like Akshit Dhal is doing great. Sid is doing great, and Arham is doing great. Like they are getting to the point. Dheere, dheere, dheere karke. They are getting features. They are getting releases as soon as they can. And all you know that they are performing at a concert, and there's this one person they are looking for everywhere. That Disha, 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 Disha. Where Disha? Where Disha? My costume is not ready. Where the fuck is Disha? The love would be still there, but the love would be for the costume, not for you.
हाँ
No, it will definitely be for you because
नहीं 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 वो कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं बोलेंगे हम उस कपड़े को भी गाने के नाम से ही एड्रेस करेंगे सो इफ आई मेक समथिंग फ्रॉम योर सॉन्ग रास्ता the name of that particular clothing will also be called Rasta.
okay, we have some new clothing lineup launching very soon. I am looking forward to that. All you know, the H&M and Zara वगैरह सब बंद होने वाले हैं. Like you can also have this thing, na, that okay, you have your own store set up across the country, and anyone who wants to like enter, they have to like show that indie music badge. And then,
नहीं 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 मेरा क्या काइंड ऑफ मेरा यही कॉन्सेप्ट है बट देन आइडियली मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट ये है दैट द पर्सन हु वांट्स द एक्सेस टू बी एबल टू बाय माय क्लोथिंग have to attend the concert of the artist that I'm showcasing. मतलब आपको टिकट तो खरीदनी पड़ेगी ये एक्सेस करने के लिए.
I was talking to Sid about promotion and stuff in the last episode, and now I feel like no, you are the one that I should have been talking about this. Because पैसा दिख रहा है, पैसा आ रहा है हर तरफ से.
बाकी हाँ ये है दैट ये मैं हर आर्टिस्ट को बताती हूँ दैट जो भी लाइक आई डू इंटेंड टू सेल माय क्लोथिंग वंस दे कम आउट एंड सो मेरा एक ये भी है दिमाग में कि जिस तरह से एवरी स्मॉल पोर्शन goes to the karigars who are responsible in making my clothing. That portion of my earning will also go to the musician, which will be my tangible acknowledgement of for basically
supporting the artist.
Not just supporting the artist, I would want to call this that my clothing brand is actually the musician's clothing brand.
That's really nice, dude. That's really nice. You answered the first question. There is also you answered the second question. First, how it all started.
Oh yeah, right. How it all started. So 10 years back, I was introduced to electronic music, and I had immediately became a fan. And ये है कि मतलब मैंने इतनी interested हो गई थी that I had downloaded Virtual DJ and even tried FL Studio as well without instruments. Literally no knowledge. I just went down to the interface and saw कि क्या हो रहा है, and I kind of failed at it. 10th grade came
same
in,
story,
which is 8
Even
years.
I'm failing at it right now. Miserably.
But मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है. You guys still have the instrument and the plugins. मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
मेरे को आता नहीं ना use करने, फायदा क्या होता है?
You can always go to the YouTube tutorials. They are the best.
Yeah.
Anyway, so 8 years back, 10th grade happened, and I had to make a choice between music and fashion. My family encouraged me to go towards fashion, but never did I leave music as a the active listener. I was really I wanted to be that one person जिसकी playlist सबसे अच्छी है. So I would always have very unusual songs, mostly electronic, and people would be irritated with my choice of genre क्योंकि electro house किसी को इतना पसंद नहीं आता था. And later
that time
I also
it was like something which was not really visible that much.
Yeah. So सबको ये Bollywood ही चाहिए था, and I was anti Bollywood back even then. I have stopped listening to Bollywood since I was introduced to electronic. So college happened. Final year का project आया, and ये था कि है ना उसी के 1.5 साल पहले मैंने है ना literally क्षण ले लिया था. अपना क्षण बोलते हैं, wow बोलते हैं, I don't know. Wow को हिंदी में जो भी बोलते हैं.
We don't care. We don't care. It's all fun here. We don't give a damn about the Shabdkosh.
So I took this vow कि है ना that I will take inspiration from music to create my my final collection, क्योंकि मेरे एक senior ने मुझे बोल दिया था कि है ना दिशा go YOLO on it, क्योंकि है ना एक बार तुम college से graduate होगी तुम अपनी चीज नहीं कर पाओगी. So I totally went YOLO on it. And when I started it, the first thing I started with was कि मैं genre ही explore कर रही थी. And मेरा project officially start होना था August में, but then I started my research and everything in June, which was actually with the trap genre. So I was technically understanding it over Ableton. And ये है कि by the time my college का timeline के पास आए तो फिर I already had the understanding कि मुझे किस तरीके से जाना है. So in that process, what I did was trap is ideally divided in 4 structures: intro, build, and उसमें फिर एक वो before drop and drop भी डाल दिया था. So
Dude, you
technically
know more
before
about music than me. You should know that.
It's okay. Everyone has a different sense of knowledge.
I'm
I don't
not
know.
saying that it's problematic at all. I'm just saying that it's good. it's great.
अभी
It's great.
थैंक यू. सो ये है कि फिर वो हर एक सेक्शन को वही क्लोजली अंडरस्टैंड किया कि क्या इंस्ट्रूमेंट हो रहा है, क्या मूड बन रहा है, उस बेसिस पे वो फिर पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बना. एंड मैं स्टार्टिंग के 4 months में तो यही आंसर कर रही थी कि है ना यही क्वेश्चन मेरे को आ रही थी कि दिशा हाउ आर यू यूजिंग म्यूजिक टू क्रिएट योर कलेक्शन. आई मीन उस टाइम मेरे को मतलब है ना कि यही था कि है ना स्टार्टिंग में इट वर जस्ट द reference visuals, which was actually that's where the associations kind of started. वो वाला चीज हुआ. फिर eventually collection realize hua, in which I had envisioned that there is a musician of some futuristic trap genre who is intended to make a music video, and for every part of that song she is changing her own song.
Dude, this is like I don't know. I did not know that you had a background that comes from electronic and trap music specifically, and then you changing consequently, as you said that you heard Akash singing, and I can understand that Akash can actually give you that vibe that okay, this is something that even I would be able to make up something out of his voice because he is so clear when it comes to performing. Anyways,
Yeah.
but seriously, Ryan, I did not know that you had an electric or this kind of a background, and this is something which is still bothering me because I'm not able to understand it completely. But still, man, I literally, if someone comes up to you and asks that, how do you actually take inspiration from music? And taking inspiration is altogether a different thing. You are 2 steps ahead of that. You are not only getting inspiration from it, you are converting music into clothing. And which also leads me to my next question, that how do you think, according to you, if we are talking about fashion here and if we're talking about music here, I really want to know that if obviously the two worlds, they both collide and collaborate with each other many times, but the most promising collaboration according to you, what will be that the most promising collaboration of music and fashion, and how do you think that can be achieved?
टेक्निकली पता है ये अपना स्टार्टिंग में ही मतलब पहले पहले में ही डिस्कस हो गया. एक तो मैंने अपना ये मोशन स्टोर के बारे में बताया ही, इन विच आई एम गिविंग अ यू नो फ्रॉम अ कोलैबोरेशन इन विच कारीगर को भी पैसे मिल रहे हैं, मेरे को भी पैसे मिल रहे हैं, म्यूजिशियन को भी पैसे मिल रहे हैं. तो ये वाला चीज तो मेरे एंड से है ही. And then you had initially introduced the idea of that I am giving a visual, or I am, you know, perhaps I style someone with with particular you know, the technicalities, like suppose अगर हमने आकाश को स्टाइल करना है तो फिर I would wanna give him this elbow length sleeve वाला nice shirt and collar made of chiffon, which is, you know, hanging loose.
Tell me what you do for me. हम भी तो
आपके लिए कॉटन स्लब में कुर्ता बनेगा, and it would be hand painted. I would definitely say it would go for totally hand painted stuff because तुम्हारा uh, flow is very organic. I mean, clearly it clearly shows that you don't want to follow the rules. So fabric painting में भी एक ये मतलब मेरा behavior है कि जो colors है ना they flow in a way that they don't want to stay in the lines. They will always go out, and that's the most beautiful part of it. So I would totally give you um this hand painting on cotton slab.
Dude, all the listeners who are listening to this and all the watchers who are watching to this, the entire point of the podcast is that I want to create a wardrobe for myself, and the show is going to help me with that. This is just a proof. This is just a digital proof that is going to be there on every platform, such as Spotify, Hubhopper, and YouTube, that she cannot back out. That agar meri kabhi se ladai hui, she'll still have to do this because this is something that she has, like, this is on the record now, and this is not going to
Yeah,
change
this is absolutely on the record.
whatsoever. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Anyways, I mean, this entire thing that how the two worlds would collaborate is very interesting. One way or the other, you may say that it's going to lead to a place which is entirely new or which is yet to be explored or which you are exploring right now. But still, there are aspects and there are aspirations. As I said, that somewhere down the line, not the music, maybe it can also turn the table that the music which is helping you right now to create your fashion may somewhere down the line help us. It'll go around the table and like the fashion is now helping us to create music in one way or the other. For all we know that we after listening to your stories and your stuff, we end up getting to know about the fact that how your story has a bit of a creativity into it, and maybe that creativity or a story inspires us in writing something. Wow.
Thank you.
Coffee.
By the way, there's one thing that I forgot to acknowledge while I was telling the my journey wala story.
Yeah.
This concept, ये जो दिशा art dot का concept है, in which I turn music to fashion, has won an award, and it is not a national award; it is International Design Awards.
Dude, it was
Literally a
another
bronze
segment. I was
in.
going to talk about that. I was going
Oh
to.
fuck!
It's fine.
ये फिर crop कर देना.
नहीं, it's
ये
fine. It's
crop
fine.
ही
We'll
कर
keep
दे.
it. It's fine, ना. It क्या हो गया? Anyway, it's a podcast.
अरे
It's
यार
not a
मेरे ये भी आ गया.
It's not a freaking interview. And it's not podcast लोग सुनते हैं. Literally fine if you do this. Most people don't go to
ठीक है.
YouTube, so it's fine. You have to be chill. Just relax.
Okay. Okay.
Anyways, but to be honest, if you have mentioned about this, she has won an international award when it comes to fashion and also collaborating it with music. And now I know that it is going to get a really high significance. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate you. Now you can go ahead and tell us more about it.
So when I had signed up about this, I actually had no expectation of it to win, honestly, because the thing is, जो मेरा final outcome निकल के आया था ना, it had some many stitches and a little bit of fittings gone wrong because I had stitched it, and I was not really as good as the Master G that we have in the industry. But it totally came to my surprise that one day I was hustling in a fast fashion making factory, and suddenly I got this notification. Oh, Disha, you have won an award. Go check it out on the website that what you have won.
I am hoping that somewhere I get an email from Sofar that Spurs you are going to perform with Parvaz on Bangalore. So please be ready. I am hoping that someday this is going to happen.
I'm sending you all the prayers and the. And
I thought that you
I
said
don't
that
wanna
I am
say
sending you the
blessing.
Sofar wala invitation as I work there secretively.
Even I would go as crazy as you if I am even acknowledged by so far for this. Even I would go
Anyone
crazy.
will go
I would
crazy.
jump in my room and disturb my neighbors.
Anyone will go crazy, dude, on this too. But seriously, man, it's a dream which has yet to be achieved. Anyways, we'll be there someday. अभी तो पहले album तो release कर ले, अभी तो उसमें ही अटके पड़े हैं. How's this Disha dot wala thing going on Instagram? How is the significance going on there? Has it been able to gather much people out recently? And how's everything going on that board?
Absolutely. Disha Art Dot is honestly my happy place, and it is not because it's just mine, but then it's a a separate bubble of hope, positivity, and opposite of everything that is happening wrong in the world. There is the ethical behavior amongst others. There is on some level a trust, and there is the most important thing is that there is support amongst each other. I mean, no one hesitates to share whether you are supporting Arham's or Sid's song, despite of you having to go through so much. And then there is Shubham helping Loopy. It is a whole a La La Land bubble for me. And many people have also asked me that how did I name my this thing as Disha R dot? Why is there a dot in the end? So that so एक बार है ना मेरे को एक internship opportunity मिली थी with one of the biggest designers in India, Anita Dongre. And ये था कि है ना dad was really proud that I had gotten it. So एक बार dad was just looking at one of my portfolios and seeing my work, and he suddenly got this that जोश कि भाई मेरी बेटी that दिशा तो है ना बड़ी होगी बहुत बड़ी डिजाइनर बनेगी और तो अपना नाम लिखेगी दिशा आर फिर डॉट, and hence that is how I got the name Disha Art Dot.
I had at my home there is like no obligation to me that you have to pursue this or you have to pursue that. There are obviously some social elements that are there, and I cannot do anything about that. Obviously, by social elements I mean my relatives. But all I know, my parents does not have this kind of thing that they are like, okay, if you want to do something, else do. We'll see whatever happens and whatever not. There was this one time, so me and my father sahab, I entered my room and my father sahab was in the balcony. He was having a phone conversation with someone on the phone, and then he was telling him that उसने अभी एक गाना रिलीज करा है and अच्छा है क्या पता अभी मैं भी म्यूजिक में कर लेगा कुछ, मेरे को तो लग रहा है ऐसे ही, and I'm like wow dude. So it's great to hear something like that. Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Very much awe moment. Anyways, let's move ahead and let's talk about your favorite indie bands and individual artists. I really want to know who all are the indie bands or indie individual artists that you really like or you really get inspiration
Honestly,
from.
ये पता है बहुत ही difficult. This is one of the most difficult questions that I have to answer.
Kept it till the very end because this is going to be really amazing. People are going to watch this, and if you have not named someone, it's going to be the end of you and them, and I'm really liking it. It's going to be a bigger prospect.
Let me take out my whole list. Literally my whole list.
It'll only increase prospects of you being only my fashion designer kind of a thing, because all you know that you have made many people upset and they don't want to work with you anymore.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए भाई, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So there is Akash Chopra, Akash Rajan, our list. That's Nitesh from Jaipur. Then there is Arham, and there is Sri Dev Ramesh. There is Abhinan Tanish. There is Paraj and Huyana, Loopy. Then there are two rock bands. ये क्या कहते हैं, एक है नवाजिशें which has my friend another Akash, and there is this Jaipur based brand निकल रहा था मेरे मुंह से. It's called 3 AM and the three of them are like really good friends of mine. There is Mark and there's Akshit Dhal, अपना Shubham.
Dude, the list is going to go on, dude. क्या हद हालत है.
This is वही तो मैंने बोला, the list is good, and of course you as well.
I asked you to select. You are not giving me controversy. That is very bad for the
वही मैंने
podcast.
okay okay my
नहीं, it's fine, it's fine. Don't choose. Don't choose.
my current okay the my okay I would say the my most favorite vocal textures that I have. I mean ये है कि इन तीन vocal textures where I totally drool. One is Himanshu from 3 AM the band, one is अपना ये Shubham, and third is Arham. इनके vocals पे I totally drool. Then electronic terms पे Mohak Arya, he totally his work totally has my heart.
I don't know, but yeah, अच्छी बात है. I don't really, you give me any kind of texture, it's okay. It doesn't even bother me because I don't even think that I'm much of a vocalist. I think, okay, I am a songwriter. I am very much confined with that. Maybe somewhere down the line I'm good at it. Somewhere down the line I'm not good at it. और उसके अलावा तो घंटा भाई को कुछ नहीं आता.
But you
Anyways,
you have a textile which I mean your vocal texture has been associated with a textile which can be very easily sold to the whole demographic. So फिर अच्छे से बहुत
वाह,
बनेंगे.
बहुत ही
Best
है, पैसा कमाने वाला काम करता हूँ मैं. this is like the best thing that
okay, this
anyone
is
has
just
ever
my
told me.
Sindhi version activated. Okay, and my bad. This is just my
Oh,
Sindhi
I did
version
not know you were
activated.
Sindhi. Wow, तभी पैसा सोचती
My
थी
bad.
अपनी लड़की. नहीं,
Yeah, वो तो फिर
obviously
मारवाड़ी भी करते हैं.
Sindhi is like more of that kind of an area. मारवाड़ी भी करते हैं, गुजराती व्यापारी भी करते हैं फिर तो. But then obviously
हाँ.
Sindhi, obviously we have, if you are Sindhi though, we'll say that Sindhis are the biggest money-minded people. I won't say
Yeah,
Sindhis
Sindhis
are
are notorious for it. Sindhis are notorious for it. Arey, there's another artist I forgot, Sarvesh. I really love his songwriting. I really love his songwriting.
nice. अच्छी बात है. Anyways, पता है, to be honest, this entire thing was really important for me also, because somewhere down the line I'll also get to know about stuff which I don't know, and people who would be listening to this podcast, maybe they will be able to understand more about music and more about fashion through this sense. And maybe the entire thing, that the reason why I thought that I should all bring you to the podcast was that uh, somewhere down the line I feel that it becomes a little troublesome for people to understand music, uh, especially when it comes to like, people may be able to understand the lyrics, people may be able to understand the composition, but somewhere down the line what the vocal is trying to say, it gets diminished. It's my opinion. I feel like somewhere down the line it gets diminished, that what actually a vocalist through his vocals wants to say. And somewhere down the line I feel that if people are able to understand fashion more, and they are able to like then make the comparison, then it also makes them understand the music well. And yeah,
Absolutely.
it's great. Anyways, we have almost covered all the topics that we wanted to talk about, and you have been very sporting, you have been very informative, and you have been very fast. You were in a freaking hurry that, okay, dude, khatam karna, jaldi. I'm like, dude,
I
this
was?
yeah. You were like so good. You actually were like, I am giving a UPSC ka interview. Or like, dude, if I don't get pass, if I don't pass, you were like this.
No, I actually did not
But
really
it was
wanted to
no,
stay
it's
like
fine,
this,
it's
but
fine.
yeah.
To be honest, you covered everything now till then, it's fine. And at the end of the day, मेरे को तो मस्त content मिला ना उससे. So I am fine. The podcast generated a different thing which पहले नहीं हुआ, so I am very much fine with it. Anyways, with that said, this episode of the podcast comes to an end. Thanks a lot, Disha, for joining us. It was really amazing to have you on board.
Thank you for
We talked-
featuring me.
We talked about stuff that I did not think that we'll be talking about on this podcast, but it actually related to the main topic. So I'm very much fine with it. Anyways, with that said, the first episode, sorry, what the fuck am I saying? With that said, the fourth episode of the podcast comes to an end. Thanks a lot, Disha, for joining us. Thanks a lot to you guys who are listening till the very end. And I love you all. I love you, Disha. And मेरे तरफ से सबको पप्पी, तुम सूपी, मैं सूपी, ये सूपी. And yeah, I'll see you all in for the next episode. Bye bye.
It's a super call.